Welcome back. I'm continuing with my testing ride journey with the Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. Jumping off from the CFMOTO 800MTX, this will be a back-to-back comparison.
I love the color of it. This white looks amazing. Oh, brilliant. Very smooth engine output. Very linear. Jumping from the CFMOTO 800 MTX to this, definitely feel the difference. A very comfortable bike, a very wide handlebar. This thing, very lightweight. Probably just thanks for the wide handlebar. You can flip this bike so easily.
Suzuki's new twin engine has lots of mid-range torque, and the power delivery is buttery smooth, exactly what you expected from a Japanese manufacturer.
Yeah, nice. So obviously you can change the ABS, traction control and riding mode, a different power output. I will just leave this one as a B mode, the standard mode. I wish the quick shifter can be slightly smoother.
The quick shifter is nicely integrated too. Not the sharpest I've used, but consistent and predictable.
So this bike have 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear wheel. It's still a tube tire, fully adjustable suspension. Not sure about the tank size though. It looks huge and very comfortable. Nice and flat. I can easily put anything on top of it.
Now onto the braking. The stopping power is strong and reassuring. It's not as punchy as something like the CFMOTO 800 MTX, but it gives you plenty of confidence both on the road and off it. Suspension-wise, Suzuki has also done a great job. The 800DE comes with a fully adjustable Showa suspension front and rear, with 220 mm of travel. On gravel road, these things stay planted and composed. It's definitely on the softer side compared to the MTX, but to be honest, that's actually making it comfortable for the whole day riding.
I like how the brake is nice and soft. On the front brake, it's nice and linear.
For everyday adventure touring like sealed road, gravel tracks, and light trails, this setup is more than capable.
Yeah, I know I complain about the suspension, but as a comparison, this is still significantly better than most of the bike. It's nice and flush. This wide handlebar is so much better to handling a twisty like this.
Ergonomic are where this bike really shined. The seat height is set at 850, tall enough for off-road but still manageable. The riding position is comfortable, the bar are wide and give a great leverage. And everything feels natural on the hand. Standing up while riding feels balanced and neutral. The only downside here is the windscreen. The wind protection is basically non-existing, and at highway speed, you will definitely feel the wind and a lot of noise.
Tiny windscreen though, and it is adjustable, but with a full bolt. The fuel tank and the seat, it doesn't really have that much of a height difference. I'm feeling like I'm riding a big dirt bike. I can easily standing up.
So who is this bike for? Honestly, I think this is a great adventure bike for riders who want a reliable, no-drama machine for weekend touring and light off-road riding. It's comfortable, easy to ride, and Suzuki's reliability is a big selling point. And there's one more good thing, the 800DE hasn't sold as well as Suzuki would hoped, which actually worked in our favor. There's still a lot of 2024 model sitting in the showroom, and dealers are doing some amazing deals right now. So if you are in the market, definitely check them out.
Yeah, I think I heard people talking about this. They should not name this one V-Strom, they should name this one as DR800. They'll make this bike sell so much better.
But would I buy one? Probably not, although it does fit my riding style in lots of ways, but the lack of wind protection is a deal breaker for me. At 230 kg on the weight and a tube-type wheel, it's also heavier and more maintenance. It just be too much hassle when I'm doing a remote adventure riding. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next test ride video, and I'll see you on the next one.